this truck. That truck is ridiculous and I absolutely love it. We got a trailer to load, we got tires to pack, we got tools to pack, we got racing suits to pack. We have a lot of stuff to pack. You guys should be like pretty familiar with this at this point. We do this like once a week and it's never fun. The nerves are starting to kick in. My mind is already kind of going into race mode. For those that are unaware, we have round 2 this weekend. So about a month ago, we had round 1. I did okay. I placed like 18th out of 40 drivers. To qualify in the top 16 and to do tandems, you always have to place in top 16. My goal for round 2 is to qualify in the top 16. Once we get into that top 16 bracket, that's when we're supposed to have tandem battles. As you guys know, my tandem battle experience is slim to none. If we get to that point, I'm gonna try to just like have a good time and just remember that I'm just there to drive and just have fun with it. But obviously, I'm competitive. I want to do the best I can. I'm running over the track layout like a million times in my head today, just trying to familiarize myself. And I'm all about visualizing. I think visualizing is key. What's up, baby?
What's going on, Jumbo?
Just replacing the top hats on my front struts for my airbags. Are they airbags?
This is for your...
Are they airbags? Please edit that out.
Are they airbags?
What, is it not okay to call them airbags?
They're airbags, but he just said, are they airbags? Yes, they're airbags.
I don't know. You airbag people get really finicky with your terms.
No, I see Kevin's point.
It's air suspension.
See? Exactly.
But they're air, these are the bags, yes.
Well, when you say airbag, it's like an airbag that hits you in the face
some
in a
people
car.
are like, they're not airbags, they're air strips.
See? I'm on Jumbo's side, Nick.
I'm just trying to be politically
I
correct.
guess the side I'm on is BRZ FRS. It doesn't fucking matter.
Hey.
It's the same shit.
It matters, Mickey.
does not
There is a difference.
What is the difference?
The interior.
Same fucking engine.
You how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Trigger, this man is triggered.
I cannot lie to you guys. Something came in today that we have been waiting for over a month now. Yeah! And it's highly anticipated. But I'm not gonna show you guys quite yet. Some of you can probably guess what it is. And as much as I wanna get into it and open it and start touching on the things, we have other priorities that need to be met. I need to make sure that we are ready for this weekend. So I'll give you a sneak peek, but just know, Monday, we'll get into it, which is technically Tuesday for you guys. But Monday in real life time, we'll get into it. This box is gonna make a lot of you guys happy and make me extremely happy. Now that you have the E36 back and you have the E46, which one's your favorite?
That's literally what I'm filming right now. But it all depends on what you're trying to drive. Like the E36 is so much more radical and crazy, but the E46 is like nice and like more luxury fast. So I love driving the E36. To me, that one's better. Now you just ruined my whole video, dude.
If you guys want to see the reasons why, the link will be down below.
Thank you.
Some guy at AutoCon came up and gave that to me. What is that supposed to actually be?
I don't know. It's like got good magnets though.
It's like a shark fin for your car if you wanted to put one on. Are you gonna stick it to the exhaust? Does it stick?
Yeah. Sorry, Kevin. You got a diffuser now, dude.
Dude, sick downforce, bro. The real reason why I came out here is because I want to show you guys something, but I have to wait till Evan leaves before I show you. Otherwise, he'll be on to me. Everyone today has just been memeing each other. Like, we just got Kevin. Oh, here he comes.
All the right noises. It's fast, and it just, if you want to go out and have a lot of fun.
He has no idea, and it's like blended into the color of the car. He just went and got his car washed at a Soapy Joe's, where like a 10 out of 10, someone had to have like washed that front bumper and saw the I eat ass sticker. He has no idea that that is on there. I don't know when the last time I've introduced Alex to you guys. If you guys don't know who Alex is, this is Alex. Alex in the shop is known. How would you describe Alex in one word, Beckerman? How would you describe Alex in
Don't
one
put me on the spot like that.
How would you describe?
Whoa.
He's
He's the Kegel master.
The Kegel. Alex recently got a pedal exercise for his, you know those like weird things you see on like as seen on TV? Really, Alex?
The throttle cycle.
Throttle cycle.
Alex, every time I come in here, I want to see you pedaling hard.
You want to check out the new mods?
No, I don't want to see you.
You want me to get on there and blow it up for you? I'll make the
Where's
video
the
so
pedal?
fast it implodes. Dude, I'm gonna be beating Lance Armstrong. Give me 2 weeks.
You're already beating him. You're already beating him. You have 2 testicles.
Oh no! I knew that was coming. No.
Damn.
Can't do.
What the fuck is hanging on the muffler?
What are you talking about?
My car. What is that?
Oh, you mean the new Aero mods, Kev? Aero, bro.
Dude, I like it.
Yeah, it's a shark fin. Well, it's actually a reverse shark fin.
You want to see this?
Beckerman did it. Oh! Damn. BMW.
This baby about to be slammed.
Kinda.
Whenever I go to a track event or whenever I go to a certain round, I always like to be sure that I have enough gas for the 350. The 350 takes E85, which isn't like a specialty gas, but it's definitely, wow, that was really hard to get. It's definitely not the easiest thing to come by. And they sell it at the track, but they upcharge it like crazy. So I have about 16 gallons worth of tanks that we're gonna go fill them up with. And Mickey just took the shark fin off and is now placing it under the E36. The memes are too real today. We just caught Mickey red-handed. We're also gonna make a pit stop. We have some leftover orders to drop off.
Just clamped it right on his diffuser. It looks sick, actually.
All right, so that is almost the rest of the orders. All the specialty boxes that I talked to you guys about yesterday are coming in today. There's only like a couple handfuls of those to go out, and then we should be 100% caught up on orders.
Alex! Pedal!
Have you ever seen somebody work this hard? Don't look at our stats. Have you ever seen somebody working this hard though?
You need to be pedaling! I want to be in here seeing you get a sweat.
Nobody. You want to come feel my back?
No, I
I got some
don't.
swamp ass right now.
Oh my. Is this back really actually sweaty?
Yes.
I don't believe you.
Feel it. Feel it. That's sticking. I showed Mickey. Nobody works this hard.
I will say, loading tires on a trailer by yourself sucks. If you can, try and have a friend help you do this. It's a great way to blow your back out.
Oh my god, that was heavy.
I'm bringing 4 extra tires this round. Last round I had about 10 tires, and with the practice day and on comp day, it like almost wasn't enough. So in the event that I make it to qualifying and we do tandems, I'm gonna need extra tires this time. I'm pretty sure they have a mobile tire changer at the track. So just in case, I'm gonna bring 4 extra tires. So total we'll have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 tires for this weekend.
So you may have been wondering, where's your 350? Remember, I dropped it off at Dan's shop 2 days ago, so actually bright and early tomorrow morning, we're gonna be meeting Dan at his shop at 6 a.m. and then continuing to the track. I'm pretty sure I have all the tools, tires, gas, race suit, jacks, all that stuff easy up, and most of our tires packed up.
Other than all of that and our sluggage for the weekend, the last thing we're missing is right here. All right, now we're ready to go. We got the air freshy to make it smell like cherries, a clean interior, tons of space. I'm super sweaty. That sucked loading it solo. All that took me like 2 hours to do. I now think we're ready to go.
I was able to fit this whole entire rig inside the shop. I'm like pushing it on room on this side. Pretty impressive. I didn't think this thing was gonna fit, but it did. So everything is packed up, ready to go. We have an early leave time tomorrow morning.
This looks like shit.
So you're just gonna free paint it.
Send it, dude. Just paint it.
everyone's car stalling.
Don't worry, Daniel.
What is the biggest Mickey mod I've ever seen?
I have clay bar. I got it.
I mean,
Painted. Now it looks like shit. Now you have to paint
now
it.
it looks.
Now you
retarded.
have to paint it. Because it looks like shit.
Nah, I'll just buy an enclosed trailer. It's 9 o'clock right now. We are leaving for Willow Springs tomorrow at 3:30 in the morning, 4 o'clock. So I need to be waking up in 6 hours, and I still have to edit this vlog and pack and get ready and shower. Wish me luck this weekend. Super stoked. Follow my Instagram to be up to date on everything. And as always, peace out and keep moving forward.
And I'm feeling low.